Good morning, dear hearts. We are at review number 4. Congratulations. Okay, so for this review, for the next several days, we are given one central thought and then 2 lessons to review. And this is a review that has very few directions in it. They're in the introduction, but the daily lessons are just really the central thought and then the 2 lessons. Okay, we are becoming more and more responsible for our own reversal of our thought system. Okay, so the central thought: my mind holds only what I think with God. My mind holds, my mind only keeps, my own mind only surrounds itself, my mind only wants what I think with God. Why would that be? Because if I have separated my mind from God's mind, I am back into thoughts of fear and unforgiveness. So my mind holds only what I think with God means that I am ready to forgive everything. I realize that the lack of true forgiveness is only causing me angst. It is putting up blocks. I'm putting up defenses which are blocking me, keeping me away from the truly joyous life that I can have. When I decide that my mind holds only what I think with God. Okay. The lessons start today with the same practicing that we have been having lately: 5 minutes in the morning, 5 at night, and hourly, to just review that my mind holds only what I think with God. And then to really sink into this and to realize that what I'm doing when I say my mind holds only what I think with God, I am releasing every other thought I have that is not in congruence with what God's mind would think, with what my mind really thinks when I join it with God's mind. A couple of things with this. This is the correct use of time from a Course perspective, because we are using time in order to heal and correct our thought system, all right? And we, in doing this in the morning as we start, sinking in for 5 minutes into going into that space of my mind holds only what I think with God, we are putting God's mind in charge of everything for us for the day. You know, there's in the lesson, we've already had it, that every morning we ask, what would you have me do? Where would you have me go? What would you have me say, and to whom? This is a reiteration of that. My mind holds only what I think with God. Please direct me. Please guide me. I will follow. I let you lead, because that is where my true happiness leads. And we end the day with the same thing. And again, because so many of these lessons really meld into each other, lesson 45 is God is the mind with which I think, so we can see the commonality into my mind holds only what I think with God. And also lesson 35, which is my mind is part of God's, it is very holy. The 2 review lessons are: forgiveness is the key to happiness, and forgiveness offers everything I want. Remember, A Course in Miracles is a course in forgiveness, amongst many other things, but most people identify it that way completely and firstly, okay? So, forgiveness is the key to happiness. When I forgive, I am removing the blocks to the awareness of God's presence, which is my natural inheritance. Forgiveness offers everything I want, because when I have my happiness, that is everything I want. Forgiveness. My mind holds only what I think with God. That's our practice for today and for the next several days. I hope to see you here tomorrow. I hope this helped. I hope you share. I hope you subscribe. And have a beautiful day. Namaste.